Hey friends, welcome to my channel DIY with Kanchan. So if you're new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So first of all, I would like to wish all my friends and subscribers a very happy Friendship Day. So in this tutorial, I will be making 9 types of gift ideas or DIYs on budget. Please watch the video till the end and let me know which one is your favorite. So let's get started. So gift number 1 is Personalise mug. I'm using this white mug and some of the Posco markers. First trace the quotes with sketch pen. The quote says like, you and I are more than a friend, we are like really small gang. That's lovely. I mean, if you have just one friend, you really don't need anyone else. Once the writing part is done, you can clean the mug under the water. These Posco markers are water based, so you can clean the mug with water, no issues with that. They says Posco markers says that it can write on any surface like water based, and they are possible to overwrite with other colors. So that is the best part about this Posco markers. Like as you can see, I'm writing on friends. So the next I'll be making a friendship band. This is gift number 2. So for this I'll be taking these nylon threads, or you can say art and craft rope, and you can use this key. This is mixed media craft key. Now start making the knot one by one. And be very careful about the pattern. Pink, blue, it should come like that. So at the end I'll be taking this craft wire. They are easily available in market. Once it is done, cut the band, and for hook you can take proper hook, but I didn't have hooks, so I took this paper clips, and they can also work. You can just make it like this and they're done. So now just to check how exactly it looks, I was checking it on my daughter's hand. So they look so cute. So this is done. Next is keychain. I'll be making this keychain from hot glue gun. First trace the letter. I wanted to gift it to my husband, so I traced the letter V. Now once the glue is dry, now slowly take it out. Now once your letter is done, you can take a single hole puncher and make a hole Now take any color you have and start coloring the letter. I am taking these two colors, yellow and white. So once your letter is fully dried, you require few things to make a keychain. One is a keychain. Second, I'm taking this Eiffel Tower and we use it for mixed media craft. Third is this embroidery thread, and the fourth one is that plass, that is craft plass. So moving on to our gift number 4, this is glass painting, or I'll be making it a friendship jar. So you take a jar and start tracing a flower or anything. You can make flower, you can make butterflies, you can write quotes on that. I'll be taking this glass liner. For the cap, I'll be using this napkin paper and I'll be sticking it with Mod Podge. You can take any glue and give it a finished look. Now start filling the flowers. I'll be taking two colors, pink and blue. Let them fully dry and then start filling up your goodies, your messages, your friendship band. Now moving on to another DIY, they are friendship tags. So I'll be using these brand tags as a base of my friendship band tag. I'll be using these papers, especially that yellow one. They are craft paper. They're very easily available in the market. If you don't have these, you can take a simple white paper and you can make any design you like. Now to give it an antique look, I'm using this stamp. So gift number 5 is a gift box. I'll be making it with the toilet roll. Just take any paper, gift wrap paper or any paper to cover the toilet roll. Measure the paper and start sticking it with any glue. Now gift number 6 is again a gift box, and this is again with the toilet roll. Now gift number 7 is a friendship band from ribbons. I'll be taking 3 colors of ribbons: yellow, pink and baby pink. I'll be using this key as a decorative piece. This is totally optional, and generally we use it for mixed media art and craft. Cut the edges, and again I'll be using this paper clip to make a hook. Now number 8 is friendship band with paper clips. This is the most easy friendship band ever. You just need some clips and start fixing them one by one like this. So the last DIY gift number 9 is a bookmark from a craft paper. So for the bookmark like this, you can use these kind of craft papers. They are quite thick. Now to give it a base, I'll be using this Posco gold color. If you don't have this color, you can simply take a white sheet and cut it and then stick it in between. And I'm marking the lines where I'm going to write the quotes. You can use normal marker as well, or you can use sketch pens as well. I'm not too sure about sketch pens because this craft paper is a little glossy. So your bookmark is ready to gift. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do let me know which one is your favorite DIY and gift. And for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.